So this website is called NGSS Phenomena, and I was introduced to this website during a training on NGSS standards and math standards. One of the main focuses was connecting science to the questions that students have. A lot of times students have all sorts of questions and they don't know how to go about asking questions or how to connect it to science. The reasoning behind this was that we can actually use what students are interested with and figure out things that they want to know. And we can then connect it to the science standard and it will increase the students' engagement. So they can go through here, find different things. Like a good question we had asked is, how did we actually know that spiders do this to catch their prey? It was kind of a question that got introduced during my training. You can go through and you can find different things about science and science standards and ask questions, build your structure around it. I'm going to show you a few things that are really cool about this website. So at the very top here, you can actually look through the phenomena. You can submit your own phenomena, why you use it. You can actually go through and figure out certain subjects that you want, as well as build connections. So this tab is the example connections. You can go through and you can see different things. So like this one here, you can see that this person has an orange peel and it pops the balloons. So it asks the question, when I squeeze the outside rind of an orange over a balloon, the balloon pops. What is going on? This is an example of chemical reaction in middle school. So they can actually go through here and ask more questions, and they can ask questions here and figure out what their answer is. It's more of a, I got to figure out the answer, not a yes or no answer. It's great for teachers too because it shows the standard that it matches with and how it connects with the standard, so that if you're looking through your standards and you're like, oh, I don't know if this is going to connect, you can actually look on the NGSS website and make those connections, because students are going to be way more engaged with things like this than the things that might be in our actual science curriculum. If you want more information on this, you can hit the external resources link and it will take you through different things for the next generation science skills, and it will show the amount of engagement that they have when using this website. It will also show how you can assess these types of things and the tools that you need. So it's a really great website to get those students thinking about the world around them and how it works. Again, you can look at this on ngssPhenomena.com, and you can really go through with your kids and discuss any of these pictures that pop up. Some of them are very interesting to look at, so give it the time that it deserves and look through here for your students' sake.